Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel, and in this video we are going to talk about how you can embed YouTube video in your Canva platform. So it will be an step-by-step video for you guys. So without any further ado, let's get started. So first of all, I will open a video options in here. Let's say this one will be the good one, and now I will go to the YouTube and I will copy an video from that place. So let's go and let's copy this one. Let's say Mr. Beast or any of video from that place. Let's scroll and find it out, any of them. So I think this one will be the quite good. Which one will be the good? So I think this one, not this one, maybe this one. Let's say, let's find it out in a good video for our users. So all of the songs, so I don't want to use all of this. So WordPress, and let's say we will get video. So I will copy and this one, just click this one and then click share, and from that place I will click on embedded, and that
What's going on?
Copy the link from that place, and once I copy this one I will just click this button and I will come back here and I will just go to the apps and search for embed, and you will get the options embedded, and you just need to click this one. Once you click over here, you just need to open this one. Once you open it, you just need to paste your web link and add the design. We could not embed the URL. Please check you have a complete URL starting from HTTPS. Okay, that's not a problem. We will find out this one. Also, let's search for the apps again, embed it again. Let's try to find it out. Okay, I understand what they are asking for, so I will copy the link, full video link. So I will copy this one and then I will come back here and I will paste the link here, and it will be the result you will see here. This is the easiest way to embed a video to paste in your Canva. So I hope you understand how easy the process was. Now you can download this embedded video also. This is the easiest way. If you love this video, then don't forget to subscribe our channel and don't forget to hit the like button. Till then, have a good day. I will catch you in the next video with an interesting topic again.